Poster 7 is the rules and regulations governing conduct on postal service property. Right?
I gotcha.
You're familiar with that, correct?
No, I'm not.
You're not familiar with Poster 7?
Nope. I'm not familiar with Post 37.
Wow. It's Freedom News now. We're here on a First Amendment audit at the United States Post Office in Marion, Ohio. We're here to test our First Amendment rights, see if they respect our First Amendment rights on this First Amendment audit. Let's do it. Your window service hours. Activity in this lobby may be monitored or recorded for operational or security purposes. Here's your Poster 7, the rules and regulations governing conduct on postal service property. Here, photographs for news, advertising, or commercial purposes is permitted. That's all you need to know. This building dedicated to public service in 1988 under Ronald Reagan, President of the United States. You can see here, there's another Poster 7. That's 2 Poster 7s. That's good to see. Here's another Poster 7. Looks to be blown up in size. Here's your photographs for news, advertising, or commercial purposes is permitted. That's all you need to know. Never been a better time than now to record your local post office. Your First Amendment audit. So good. Listen. Here's your box rental fees. If you'd like to rent a box.
Oh, that's yeah. She said it was going to take her forever. Did they even come in?
Yeah,
They didn't.
well, of course they did.
I bet you I wasn't.
How we doing?
What up, boss?
How you doing?
But
Help you up here.
I'm just recording today.
Okay.
the one was Jasper Juniper.
Appreciate it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I kind of figured that.
Here's all your greeting cards. If you guys have anybody up there like handling cash or anything, I won't record that. I make sure I don't record transactions.
Okay.
I abide by that. That's one thing that I know you guys don't want us to do. So other than that, I'm just going around recording and checking out your post office, and then I'll be on my way. I'll be out of here.
Sounds good.
Appreciate you guys.
No problem.
It's a big post office.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's more your packaging supplies.
Look how much better this looks. That does look good.
Like, this is all cleaned up. There's a shelf right there. I couldn't see the shelf earlier.
Come over here now.
Yeah.
Huh?
So very nice.
I just started stuff match on that one. Just started over fresh. Way
You
better.
guys have any of them Red Fox, $1 Red Fox stamps? You guys ever get
You
any
say
of them?
Red Fox?
Yeah, the $1
Yeah, we
Red
don't have
Fox
these
stamp.
Red Fox, man.
Don't get any of those. I just usually when I come to these post offices, I like to ask. I know it's a rare find if you can find that stamp,
Right.
and sometimes
Well, our stamp
sometimes.
stock is super limited.
Okay, that's
You
all right.
said
That's
they're
all
a
right.
dollar stamp?
It's a $1. Normally I just get I think it's the Liberty.
We just have the.
I was gonna say, we have the Liberty dollar stamp.
That's the one that I normally get, but I try to ask for the Red Fox stamp. I guess it's occasionally you can find it.
Right.
So, appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. How's our
So here's some of your scales. If you want to weigh your packages. Big set of scales. Package drop box.
I'm pretty positive one of those signs is no video recording, but
I think so too. I think so.
yeah.
How you guys doing? So you guys still pondering it if I have the right to be in here, huh?
I've never questioned it. I've heard of other people doing it. I know you have the right to do it. I have no problem with being recorded. That's perfectly fine.
I thought I heard someone say there was something you said where we weren't allowed to do it.
Well,
On
they
the
said
sign.
something. Somebody thought there was a sign.
Well, there's poster 7. Poster 7 is the rules and regulations governing conduct on postal service property.
I gotcha.
You're familiar with that, correct?
No, I'm not.
You're not familiar with poster 7?
Nope. I'm not familiar with Put 37.
Wow, that's the rules and regulations that govern the conduct of on postal service property. That's like you need to read that if you're
Yeah.
working here. That's like the #1 thing you guys should
You a YouTuber?
good thing. I do some YouTube videos.
You
Yeah.
got a channel? I'll follow. No?
No.
I've got one. It'd be easy to find once I publish it.
Cool.
Usually I
just
don't
wanna see
always
my
give
face on
out.
YouTube.
Yeah,
I don't
heck
usually
yeah.
give out my channel until I'm done with my work because it doesn't always make it doesn't always
I
make
gotcha.
publishing. I've got so much content built up that this probably won't even get on there. Actually it might because it'll make you guys shine saying these guys look, they respected my rights. It
Right.
a lot of times you see these videos where people go crazy on.
Yeah, dude, it's
So
ridiculous.
you don't know what to expect. I've
Right.
done them all around the country, and
Right.
you just never know. It's getting more mainstream
it's
now
like-
and normalized, where you guys have been doing great.
I
so.
follow a channel called like Audit the Audit. They do a lot of stuff.
He takes everyone else's content and then
Yeah, and then
republishes
kinda-
it, cuts it up, and
yeah.
does a mashup.
um,
He doesn't actually get out on the front lines and do his own activism,
right,
which some
yeah.
people don't like that. But he's getting the word out there a lot.
Dude, I am pro First Amendment, pro
Oh, yeah.
Second Amendment.
But that's what I hear. I hear this town is real big,
Yeah.
considered. I went up to the memorial. That was real neat. The Harding Memorial.
Mhm.
Went out there last night and recorded some of that
Yeah.
under the lights. That was real neat.
Yeah, they actually just redid that. It looks really good.
Yeah, it does
too.
look really good out there.
But I don't know. I might go check out some other places today. I was gonna go downtown, but I don't know if I'll go down there or not. It's pretty close. But
Right.
I don't know.
Yeah.
This,
Day for it.
I've done Toledo, a couple post offices there. They had a big one, Reynolds Road Station. Went there once. That was a big station. I don't know if you guys have been there to that one, but it's about a little bit bigger than this one. But
Yeah.
you guys, they spend a lot of money in Ohio on their public services, I noticed.
Right.
I mean,
Like post offices are huge in Ohio. This town's not that big.
right.
Hey, I've had a lot of people say that this.
And then look at your
is rather large for the size of the city.
And look at the sheriff's department. That place is massive. It's
Actually,
enormous.
the old, are you from Marion?
No.
Yeah, 'cause it was
That's-
the old Trekka
Yeah, that's
building.
the old Trekka building, and then they bought it because they had
Trekka
a little
building,
tiny.
okay. I'm
Yeah,
like, that's
it was,
huge.
The last
They don't
office
need
was
small.
it was
Okay.
in this room.
Yeah.
Okay,
it's
so
tiny.
small, the super big.
Yeah.
Okay. And then there's the Marion police I see downtown, but
Yeah.
I just didn't think there'd be that much a need for that big of a. Maybe it's a small force in that huge building, but you guys are paying for that to heat
Right.
that big building. It's
Right. Yeah. And I don't.
the taxpayers.
I don't know if they still share. If the sheriff's department still shares a building, if they share that with somebody, or if that that whole building is. There.
Well, I know like the Marmet force is there too or whatever, but I don't know if that all falls.
You guys have a good one. Thanks for your help. I'm gonna be on my way and let this lady take care of her business.
Drop a couple off.
Warning, authorized personnel only. USPS property, no trespassing. This is their back lot where they load their trucks. Okay guys, we're going to wrap up this First Amendment audit here at the Marion, Ohio, United States Post Office. Thanks for joining us here today. Make sure you like and subscribe. Ring the bell to enable all notifications so you never miss a new video or new video alert. This post office respected our First Amendment rights, our First Amendment rights to record during this First Amendment audit. As always, thank you for watching Freedom News Now, and we'll see you on the next one. Freedom News Now, we're out.